Hey guys, it's me. So today we have a little tasting. It's a mini Kit Kat matcha. And anyways, I don't know. We'll see because they have a few, and it's from Japan, I believe. It's basically a Kit Kat bar, but tastes good. So that's Kit Kat. And I got this from Candy Funhouse, obviously. Well, not obviously, but that one's good, yeah. As you can probably tell from all the videos that I've done, I sort of tend to like chocolate more than just straight up candy. But salif, that's it. That's all, basically. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. You can tweet me on X at Stellan11. I've had that account for a very, very long time. Since I was like, I don't know, 15 or 14. It's an old account. Anyways, yep, so I said like, comment, subscribe, share the video already. So thanks so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.